So, guys, after being on a holiday and thought I was booked in to an all-inclusive hotel, ah, no way! It wasn't an all-inclusive. They didn't even give you breakfast. You have to pay for everything after. However, after I realized, I dashed to the supermarket to get some stuff to put in the little refrigerator in the room. So I got some fruits. Going to the supermarket, I didn't know what to buy, I didn't know da da da. So I just say, let me go over the fruit section. I'm gonna need bread. Yes, the fruits offers numerous health benefits. Sorry, contributing to the overall well-being and disease preventions. So I want to talk about 5 benefits of including fruits in your diet. One, fruits are rich in nutrients. Fruits are high in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. For example, citrus. And as you can see, we have a lot of citrus. I'm going to buy some. I did buy some. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C. Banana provide potassium, and berries are loaded with antioxidants like flavonoids. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining body functions and preventing different deficiencies. Two, fruits helps to boost the immune system. The vitamins and antioxidants found in fruits helps to strengthen the immune system. Vitamin C, found in many fruits like oranges, strawberry, and partially known for enhancing immune defense mechanism. Y'all. Fruits also reduce the risk of chronic disease. Regular consumption of fruits is associated with a low risk of chronic diseases such as heart diseases, strokes, and certain cancers. The antioxidant and phytochemicals in fruits help reduce inflammation and protect cells from damages. And a lot of you will love this one. It promotes weight management. Yeah. Fruits are generally low in calories and high in water content and fiber, making them a satisfying snack that can help with weight management, sorry. They provide a sweet, nutritious alternative, high calorie, sugar laden snack and dessert. Incorporating a variety of fruits in your diet can help you harness these benefits, contributing to a healthier lifestyle. Yeah, guys. So I did that. I got some berries, not much, but I got some bananas also to help with the potassium. But overall, fruits are great.